Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. In the last class, what is investment, characteristics of investment we have seen, okay. Now today we'll focus on investment management. How do you manage this investment? What is investment management? Whatever you have investments, managing that investments is investment management. Managing the investments is nothing but investment management. In other words, if you want me to say, you can say investment management refers to the handling of financial assets. Handling of financial assets and other investments. Any investments, financial investments or financial assets, anything, handling these assets, financial or non-financial assets, that we consider it as investment management. Investment management, we can say it as money management. There are other words for investment management. Money management, portfolio management, and also wealth management. Any word we can use apart from the investment management. What are the words? Money management, portfolio management, wealth management. This word portfolio you will be using in this investment management subject many times. Portfolio. If you are hearing first time, I am giving you the meaning of portfolio. What is portfolio? Means a collection of financial assets and investment tools. Different types of financial assets we have. All together we can say it as a portfolio. And also financial tools, whatever you are using it. All together we can say it as a portfolio. That is why investment management we say it as a portfolio management also. This is, money management and wealth management. Okay. Now coming to the objectives of investment management. We have seen characteristics of investment, almost similar to the characteristics of investment. Now if you observe it, objects of investment management. First one means return is compulsory. Without return, we won't put any investment. This is the main object. Return. Return, how will be the return? High return. High return with less risk. So this is the main motto of any investment. So return should be more, and also safety and security of funds. Your funds should be always on safe, and there should be some security of funds. So, and also liquidity. These investments must have liquidity. This is another main object of investment. Suppose I have kept my investments around 1 crore, 1 CR. When I need some money, can I encash it? If I can encash quickly, then I can say that there is a liquidity. If liquidity is not there, my investments are 1 crore blocked. What is the use? When I need it, I can't encash it. There's no liquidity. So that is why one of the important object of investment management is liquidity, and also tax consideration. This also we have discussed in the characteristics. Some tax consideration you are expecting with your investment. If this is there, double benefit, you are getting returns as well as tax benefit also. And also risk. Risk should be always lower. Lower the risk and safe investment. But risk should be less, and at the same time you are expecting high returns also. This is very rare case. High returns, less risk. But most of the time, high return means risk is also high. If you can take, then only you can go ahead. So these 5 things we have discussed in the last class only. Characteristics of investment. Now another point is added to the objectives of investment management, that is capital appreciation. Important object of investment management, capital appreciation. Capital is also to be increased to some extent. Anyway, on my investment I am getting some benefit, some return I am getting. Example I'll tell you. I have invested 1 crore rupee. So on this I am getting every year some interest. Interest, okay, that's okay. Interest or dividend, anything. On fixed deposits, if I put, I get interest. If I put on securities, I get dividend. Okay, so this I am getting. Anything I am getting. Apart from this, I am expecting some appreciation in the capital also. Capital is how much? My capital investment is 1 crore. On 1 crore, some percentage I am expecting. This is possible in few investments. Example, I have kept my investments in mutual funds, but proper mutual funds we have to select it. So in that funds when I keep, so according to the appreciation, according to the profits of that mutual fund, this investment 1 crore is also going to increase. Return is there, and also my investment is going to increase a little bit. 1 crore to 1.10 crore I received after say 3 years. It's a good return. 10 lakh after 10 years I received, and also I received the dividend on that investment. So this is the expectation, main object of capital appreciation. Capital also to be appreciated. Receiving dividend, this is one benefit. Another benefit is expecting some appreciation in the capital also. So these are the objectives. Objectives 5 already we have seen, only one we have added, that is capital appreciation. Now scope. Where is the scope of this investment management? You have to remember few points. One is understand the exact meaning. For scope of this, you have to understand exact meaning of investment, what is investment, and also investment decision rules. This you are going to discuss in the further classes. Understand about investment and also understand the investment decision, how to take the decision of investment. So that rules you should understand. Then only you will be able to get some idea about investment management, and also analyze the various avenues of investment. Where can I put my investments? What are the ways? In the next class we are going to discuss this point in depth. So I have 1 crore. 1 crore I don't want to put in only one area. I have various options. I know you heard this small saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, because it will be risky. So you must know what are the avenues of investment, what are the options I am having it. Then only you will be able to choose the right one. And also evaluate the investment alternatives. What are the alternatives? I know options are this, but what will be the right option, investment alternatives? Through various techniques I wanted to know, through various techniques to get the best return for the investor. Alternatives, how many are there? What are the alternatives? And techniques. Using the techniques, by using the techniques you are expecting best return for the investor. So this is also another important point. And also select the investment option. Your investment option should be in such a way that maximize the returns and minimize the risk. On the very first day of class I told you, risk should be less, but return should be more. Maximize the returns and minimize the risk. So this option you have to remember. According to that you have to take the decision. And also construct a portfolio of securities to diversify the risk. Risk we wanted to diversify. Don't want to take much risk. Construct a portfolio of securities. Portfolio of securities means whatever assets you are having, all these things together, construct proper way of arranging the property in a security of portfolios. So portfolio of securities to diversify the risk. Risk should be decreased. In that way you have to construct a portfolio. And also review and revise portfolio. Portfolio already constructed. Okay. Here I have constructed. Not yet over. Next what you have to do? Review and revise portfolio. If any changes are required, you can make ups and downs. You can increase or decrease. This is possible when you go for review and revise the portfolio. Then after that, evaluate portfolio performance. See the performance of the portfolio. Wherever you have kept your investments, so that performance also you have to evaluate. Once if you evaluate, you will come to know that, so here I made a mistake, I could have done that, and I should transfer this to another area of investment, like you can get some idea. So these are the main areas, a scope of the investment management. So hope you got a very good understanding about what is investment management and its characteristics, objects and scope. It is clear. Now in the coming classes we can go in depth of the subject. So stay connected. By the way, don't forget to share this videos, check out the playlist and use it to the maximum level and have a bright career. Good luck.